In the latest that we are breaking to you, there's some shocking news coming in. Hearing and speech impaired athletes who were all set to compete at the 8th Asia Pacific Deaf Games in Taiwan have been left in the lurch in the national capital. The athletes who arrived in Delhi from across the country on the 25th of September have been refused accommodation at the Sai hostel. And as you can see there in the visuals, they were actually forced to sleep on the pavements. We have Karishma joining us live. All right, before we go to Karishma, let's listen into what the parents of these athletes have to say.
मैम कितने दिन हो गए हम लोग बाहर ही हैं, छत भी नहीं मिल रही और बस सुबह स्टेडियम जाते हैं, कुछ खाने को नहीं, कुछ पीने को नहीं, रात को फिर यहाँ गुरुद्वारे में आ जाते हैं। बस ऐसे ही है, यहाँ पे आके लंगर खाएंगे और बच्चे ऐसे सभी।
मैम कौन सा टूर्नामेंट था जिसके लिए आप लोग स्टेडियम जा रहे थे, और स्टेडियम दिन में और रात में गुरुद्वारा, ऐसा क्यों?
वो था जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम और ये बच्चे एशियन गेम के लिए सिलेक्ट हुए थे, ट्रायल हुए थे, ये सभी बच्चे एशियन गेम के लिए सिलेक्ट हुए थे, तो बस ये इसलिए जा रहे थे वहाँ पे।
जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम में अपना एक हॉस्टल भी है, क्या आपने कोशिश की कि उस हॉस्टल में अकोमोडेशन मिल जाए?
बिल्कुल कोशिश की मैडम, उन्होंने मना कर दिया कि ये हमारे पास कोई भी रूम अवेलेबल नहीं है इस टाइम, आप बाहर चले गए। तो मैडम शाम को 7 बजे बाहर निकाल के गेट बंद कर देते हैं इनको, जैसे ये भेड़ बकरी हैं।
Karishma is now joining us live. Karishma, this is shocking apathy. There seems to have been absolutely no arrangements made for these athletes who were coming from all over the country to take part in the Asia Pacific Games in Taiwan. Now, what is the status as of now? I mean, after we've shown these visuals, have there been anybody who has come up and spoken about this? Who is responsible for this kind of negligence?
Well, absolutely, that's correct. And as a matter of fact, there has nobody who has come up to them or spoken to them. You can see it right in front of the TV screens. They're still sitting on the pavement of the Gurudwara here in Delhi, and there's nobody from the ministry, from the Sports Authority of India who's come up to them or spoken to them or even offered them some kind of, resistance to all of this. Nobody has come, and if the parents are to be believed, it's the Sports Authority of India that is to be blamed for them, because they had proper trials in Gandhinagar, in Kolkata, after only which they came to Delhi to leave for Taiwan. And I also want to tell you, I have documents with me that, they had written for the visa approval on the 28th of February, the approval of which came only on the 29th of September. And I want my camera person Sachin to actually zoom in into these papers. You can see that it's written that the tour is approved on the full cost to government, but they have not got a single penny out of what the government has to take over. They are here on their own money, and the jackets that they are wearing, the kits that they are wearing, the government should provide, but they have been bought by them yesterday so that they could leave for Taiwan, and they were told to buy the kits on their own if they had to leave for Taiwan on time. But they still haven't got their passports. They are submitted in the visa office. They have no clue if they'll be able to make for the tournament or not.